We are going to show you how to remove the radio navigation from VW Routan, which is the same as the other years. The tools that you need is just a Phillips screwdriver plus this yellow dashboard removal tool. The removal is very simple. You just need to pop out the bezel around the radio navigation unit. It doesn't have any screws, just a push-in clips, as you can see. All these 4 of them, and then they have the radio has 4 mounting screws, Phillips. Once you get those 4 out, and then you can remove the whole unit. Get the connector in the back. And if you need any repair for the navigation, touch screen, or the radio, CD player, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.